Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Siri to automatically send messages without confirming on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Siri and Search. Then scroll down and tap on Automatically Send Messages. In here, tap on the Automatically Send Messages toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. When you switch this on, there is also another section called Also When Connected To. In here, you can choose headphones and CarPlay. So you can customize this section as well. And it said here, Siri will automatically send messages unless you ask to change or cancel. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.